Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will talk about why most people fail at learning Kubernetes and how to avoid it. So, most people don't fail at learning Kubernetes because it is too hard. They fail because they start in the wrong way, and the way totally matters here. Uh, in this video, I want to explain the real reason why people quit Kubernetes after a few days or weeks and what you can do differently so you don't waste your time or money. The first mistake is starting Kubernetes without basics. A lot of people jump directly into Kubernetes tutorials without understanding Linux commands, containers, Docker properly. Kubernetes is not a beginner tool. It sits on top of many other concepts. If your basics are weak, everything feels confusing very quickly. The second mistake is passive learning. Many people only watch videos and think they are learning. But when it comes to actually running commands or debugging issues, they feel stuck. Kubernetes is something you understand only by doing, like breaking things and fixing them. Watching alone is not enough. The reason why people fail is lack of structure. The third reason why people fail is lack of structure. Like they watch random YouTube videos, read random blogs, and follow random tutorials. There is no clear path, so they don't know what to learn next or when they are making progress. This leads to frustration and eventually quitting. Another common problem is unrealistic expectations. Like some people think that learning Kubernetes for few weeks will instantly make them job ready. Uh, when that doesn't happen, they lose motivation. Kubernetes takes time, and the goal should be gradual improvement, not instant results. So, how do you avoid these mistakes? Because that's a very uh, needed, required question. So first, make sure your basics are clear. You don't need to be an expert, but you should be comfortable with Linux commands, containers, and basics networking concepts. Second, focus on hands-on practice. Don't just watch tutorials, try commands yourself, make mistakes, and understand what went wrong. The third, follow a structured learning path, whether it is a course, documentation, or a learning plan. Structure matters a lot, else you will get deviated and you will not see any results and progress. It helps you stay consistent and track your progress. Finally, be patient with yourself. Kubernetes is a complex system, and struggling at the beginning is completely normal. The key is consistency, not speed. In the future videos, I will also talk about different learning resources and how to choose the right one based on your background and goals. Uh, Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Uh, Give me feedback or you can ask me anything in the comment section. Feel free and good luck.